Now, does every animal have the same kind of teeth? No, every animal does not have the same kind of teeth. They have different sets of teeth depending upon their eating habits. Animals with different eating habits have different teeth structures. Plant-eating animals or herbivores such as cows, horses, deer, antelopes, camels, zebras, hippopotamuses, goats, rhinoceros, and sheep have flat front teeth and broad back teeth. So you can see in this picture the flat teeth they have in front of them so that they can bite the grass. They are known as the animals who eats the plants are known as herbivorous animals. So these herbivorous animals have flat front teeth which are useful for biting of grass and leaves of the plants. The back teeth are suited for grinding and chewing the plants. Plant food is made of cellulose that needs to be chewed well. So that is why they have flat teeth in front and back teeth which are suitable for grinding and chewing. Herbivorous animals, cows and buffaloes have a strange habit of eating. Okay, they first swallow their food without chewing it. Later, they bring it back to their mouths and chew it properly. This is called chewing the cud or rumination. Means whatever they eat during the daytime, okay, they does not chew the food. At night, what happens? They bring back the food in their mouth. From their stomach, they bring those food which they have swallowed to their mouth, and then at night they chew them. This is called chewing the cud. Rats and squirrels have two sets of teeth. The front teeth keep growing. To keep them at a comfortable size, these animals keep gnawing. So because of their teeth always growing throughout their life, they keep on biting the food. This is called gnawing. Okay, these animals are known as gnawing animals. Now, what is the shape of teeth of meat-eating animals? Meat-eating, flesh-eating animals. Meat-eating animals are known as carnivorous animals. Okay, they have sharp front teeth to tear flesh off the animals they eat. Tigers, lions, crocodiles, dogs and cats are carnivorous because they are meat-eating animals. They are four pointed canines. You can see in the picture, no? They have four pointed canines that help to pierce into the flesh, and strong back teeth can crush the bones. The back teeth, they are very strong, so it is used to crush the bones, and the four canines, it is used to tear the flesh. We also have canine teeth, no? We also have four canine teeth. Like that, the carnivorous animals also have canine teeth. So you can see the canine teeth, it is clearly visible in the picture, the pointed teeth. So you must have seen dogs resting with their tongues hanging out during hot weather. So why do they do like that? They drip out the water, okay? They drip out the water from their tongue, which helps them to cool their body. The water evaporates from their tongue and makes the body temperature lower, and it helps them to cool down. So that is why you will see the dogs hanging their tongue out. The dogs have sweat glands on their paws and nose from where they sweat, which also helps in lowering the body temperature. By sweating, they cool down their body. The water evaporates. Now, how do snakes eat or bite? Snakes have teeth, but they do not chew their food. They swallow it. They directly swallow their food. Lizards, chameleons, and frogs do not have teeth. They swallow their food without chewing. They have long, sticky, dart-like tongues to catch flies and other insects. So now, omnivores are animals that eat both plants and animals, such as we human beings. We eat both flesh and plants, yes or no? Also, bears and crows. They are omnivorous animals. So far we have 3 types of animals: herbivorous, which are plant-eating animal; carnivorous, the flesh-eating animal; and that eat both plants and animals are called the omnivorous animals.